students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 6 integers case. Integers means what about natural numbers? Natural numbers. What about natural numbers? Counting numbers we call it as natural numbers. Which are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, etc. We call it as natural numbers. Then what about whole numbers? Whole numbers means counting numbers and zero also including. That numbers we call it as whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. We call countless numbers are there. So that numbers we call it as whole numbers. In this chapter we go through integers. What about integers? Integers case here they representing a positive value and a negative value and a zero also including. Such number pattern we call it as integers. In which way means 0 is our count whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. They are positive. Zeros right side part represent as a positive value and zeros left side part represent as a negative. That means zeros before part -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. They are known as integers. Integers means here counting whole numbers, counting numbers and zero and negative numbers including that number pattern we call it as integers. In this way pattern 0 after right side part represent as positive value, zeros before part left side part represent as negative values. Here when the values go far from in the 0 right side case values are go far from the zeros, values are increasing. 1 or 20 is greater. My question, +1 or +20 is greater. +20, everybody know +20 is greater than the +1. But in negative case, when the values are go far from the zeros, values become reducing. Example, -1 or -30 is greater. -1 is greater. Not to -30, that value become reduced. From the negative side, values are go far from the zero, values become reducing. So we can say -1 is greater than the -. So which is the smallest, which is the greatest negative integer? Asking time greatest -1. So which is the smallest negative number? We can't able to say which is the smallest. Infinite numbers are there. That's why we can't able to say which is the small. But greatest asking time -1 is the greatest negative integer. But in positive case, which is the greatest integer as positive number asking them, we can't say. Why? Because positive side countless numbers are there. But smallest positive integer asking them, which is the smallest positive integer? 1 is the smallest positive integer. I hope you can understand what I say here regarding about integers case. Then next here some rules are there. Next here we representing here some word is there. That means here when the aeroplane is flying at top of the sky from the ground 2000 meter high from the ground. And here above the sky, above the word above represent as a positive. Below the word below represent as a the submarine is floating below the sea level. Below represent as my negative value. Then next here money is deposited. The word deposit represent as a positive. It is an asset only. That's why money deposit on bank represent as which symbol? A positive symbol. Money withdrawal. Withdrawal means how to represent it represent as a negative value. Deposit means positive, withdrawal means minus. The temperature is coming high means we represent as a positive. The temperature become lower asking telling them it represent as a negative value. In this way they are representing integer symbols are representing positive and and negative case. Such type of questions are in your exercise 6.1. Represent the given statement as in form of a positive number or negative number case. Here remember at that time here one example, aeroplane is flying above the sky in how much meter high? 2000 meter high. Above represent as plus 2000. Then submarine floating on the sea level, below the sea level, asking time it represent 800 meter below, it represent as a minus 800. Like these things are in the first Roman case. The next word here represent some numbers in a number line case. That type of questions are the number line case. One example I am giving that here represent a plus 5 on the number line. So what we want to do, take a scale, draw the number line, straight line draw, then both side arrow marking. Why we both side have number line means already we learned it have a both side we can extend any distance. That's why it is never ending. That's it represent as a arrow. Then somewhat middle to mark a point 0. Zeros right side represent as positive. Zeros left side part represent as negative value. In scale using measure 1 centimeter, take and measure and marking. First one 1, 2, 3, 4. Scale reading, take and marking. Again right side part negative. Scale reading, taking and marking there. First value is -1, second value -2, -3, -4. Like this way. What they asking? They ask to represent positive 5 on the number. Where positive 5, this value represent as our positive value. In this way marking. Draw the number line and represent the given number on that number line. That is your second bit question in that exercise. Then next they ask about represent -8 on the number line. So how we can represent again? Draw a second number line. Then both side arrow mark, middle to mark a point 0. Zeros right side represent positive. Zeros left side mark it as a negative. Zeros left side mark it as then it scale use and mark 1 centimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then left side part also 1 centimeter take and mark that points up to where -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and then next value is -8. Like that. What they ask to mark -8 were here. So in this way we mark the -8 on the number. Like this way the type of questions are in the second Roman case. Second bit they ask it like this way. Then next type is they ask about here one number line is given there. They given us in a vertical line they given vertical. In this way vertically they given. Here they mark an point 0. Then vertical case top part represent, above part represent as a positive value, below part represent as a negative value. Remember, zeros above represent as positive, 0 below part represent as a. That's why here submarine and aeroplane case I tell aeroplane flying above the ground level. That's why we mark it as positive. Then submarine floating below the sea level. That's why we represent a negative value. Then they given us some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way they given like that. Here alphabets also they marking there. Here D, then next then next they mark it as C, next B they marking next A they marking there. Downwards they mark it as marker here H. Then next 2, 3, 4. They mark it as a GM, then next F, next E. In this way they marking them. So what we can say here, zeros before part, top part represent as, we can mark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then downwards we represent as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Then first question asking here D. What they ask, the first question means they asking the point D is +8. Here point D represent which value? -8. Then +8. Same way they are asking what they are asking, which point is -8? Where the -8? Which point represent -8? Point F represent as -8. First part they are asking. So here in this number line, point D represent as +8. What about -8? -8 represent as which point? -8 represent which point? F point. So we can write point F represent as -8. Next they are asking G, the value G point represent positive or a negative value? G point represent as a negative value, -6 etc. That's why we can say point G represent which value? Represent a negative value, negative. We can write like this. Next, C question they are asking here. Write integers for point B and point E. B and E case. What are the values? B value represent, point B represent as which integer? Point B represent as +4. What about point E? Point E represent as which integer? -10. That is the meaning of that question. What about point E represent the integer? Point B represent +4. What about point E represent the integer? Point E represent which integer? -10. That is our C question. Next D question they are asking here, which is the least value in this number line? Which is the least value? Which is the least value they asking there? Which is the least value? Here from 0 to here upwards going time a positive value. Positive values are increasing only. What about negative case? Negative case, the values number integers are go far from the 0, values become a reduced. That's why which is the least value? We can say -10. That means point E represent as a negative least value, or it represent as -10. That's why point E represent as the least value. So we write it as a point E represent least value. How much a least value? -10 it represent. Next E question they are asking with the help of these integers write down as in the descending order. Descending means how we can write a small number to the here descending means here bigger number to the smaller number. Which is the bigger number here? +8. So +8. Next +7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. What they ask to say? Write as in a decreasing order. Descending order. Descending order, how we can write a bigger number to smaller number represent as a here descending. Ascending means what? A smaller number to bigger number writing process, we call it as ascending order. Bigger number to smaller number process, we call it as a descending order. Here which is the bigger number? Positive values are bigger number. Which is the highest positive number? They are marked 8. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 they are the descending, and reach the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? -10 is the smaller number. I hope you can understand this Roman. Then next we go through next Roman. fifth Roman, they asking which number comes on the number line, which number comes on the right side of the number line. Example, here fifth Roman, 2 and 9. In this 2 and 9, which number comes on the right side of the? So first we can draw the number line. Draw the number line, 0 mark here. 0 mark, all are positive value. Here 1 will stay use and mark 1 centimeter and mark 1 zeros right side represent positive value, zeros left side represent negative value. Then mark values the 5, 6, 7, 8. One more number 9 and 10. Then left side part -1, -2 enough. They are both are positive value. Then which number they are asking? 2 and 9. In this 2 and 9, which number comes as a right side? Right hand 9 comes as the right side of the number. So we can write 9 comes as the right of the number or integer 2. So we can write integer 9 is on the right of the integer 2. That is the meaning of the question. One more question, B question. 0 or -1 is the right side. Same number line we can use. Same number 0 or -1 where 0 is there. -1 where here 0 and -1. Same number line only use. Then which number comes on the right side? -1 is in the left side. We are standing the middle means -1 comes as a left hand side. 0 comes as our right side. That's why in B question which integer comes as a right hand side? 0 is the right. 0 is the right of the integer -1. Then one more question. Here another C question. C question tells about here 1 or -100 is on the right side. 1 means here. Now -100 means which side? Left side of our number line. So 1 or -1 comes as our right side. That is a question. So we can say 1 comes as the right side and -100 comes as the left side of the number line. So here this question answer which number we can write? We can write 1 comes as the right side of the -100. I hope you can understand this model question. The next what they telling means here between integers writing. Here between numbers 0 and -7 is the write down the between numbers 0 to -. So which are the between back side to go means here 0 so in the number line we can or a -7 after before a -6 -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 between numbers between 0 and number 7 integer they are between integers they ask. So which are the numbers? The -6 -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 are the between numbers of the 0 and -. Then next one more question. -30 between numbers right. -30 and -23. Which are the numbers? How we can write? -30, -29, -28, -27, -26, -25, -24, -23. They are the between -30 and -23 between which are the middle integers? -29, -28, -27, -26, -25, -24. They are the between numbers. I hope you can understand how to write the integers. Then remaining exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.